Hey guys, thanks for checking out the market update for the month of August. Today's August 2nd, and I want to just go over a couple things. You know, every month we talk about interest rates and what they've been doing. It's a very important topic, especially right now. Last month we talked about the EU, Britain leaving the EU, commonly known as Brexit, and the effect that that had on mortgage rates nationwide. You know, heading into August, the rates are still at all-time lows. We're seeing 30-year fixed mortgage rates in levels that we haven't seen for a long time. Even in just the last week, we've seen rates in the mid-threes for the 30-year fixed. And there's a lot of people that have bought a home as recently as last year that are actually refinancing right now and saving money on their mortgage. So, you know, not a great thing for the economy as a whole with some of the different things going on, but for people that have a mortgage or people that are entering into the market wanting to buy a property, rates are better than they've ever been, and it's creating a nice refinance boom and allowing people to save some money. So if you're watching this and we haven't talked to you yet, or if you know someone that owns a home, feel free to forward this video to them. It's very important information. The second part of this video I wanted to touch on was gifting for down payments. A lot of our clients come to us with multiple different ideas and loan strategies that they're seeking for buying real estate. One of the common things for first-time home buyers that don't necessarily have a 20% down payment that are looking at a first-time buyer program is our parents are wanting to gift us some money. And so I want to talk about gifting. In 2009, we had, during the mortgage meltdown, what ended up happening is the Patriot Act was introduced to mortgage lending, which is where basically any funds used for a down payment or closing costs for any mortgage nationwide has to be paper trailed and sourced, and it's sort of an anti-money laundering law that's now part of the mortgage business. And it can typically be one of the frustrating parts of the process for many clients that deal largely with cash, or clients that have cash in the safe and think that cash is king. And so I really wanted to bring this up just because it's a common problem for the mortgage process, and it's something that you can alleviate if you do things properly. So when using a down payment for the purchase of a property, any mortgage lender out there is typically going to look at 2 months bank statements or 60 days of bank statements. Sometimes we can get away with 1 month bank statements. So if you're looking to get into the market and you're trying to use cash or something like that, one of the terms that we use is seasoned funds, and that means money that's been in the bank account for at least 2 months. Because if a mortgage lender is looking at 2 months of bank statements and you put the money in the bank account 3 months ago, we're really not going to know where it came from. So for all intents and purposes, it's your money, and we're not going to need to paper trail it. Now, if you're getting a gift from a family member or someone that wants to help you purchase a property, that's a whole nother story. Typically, a mortgage lender is going to need a gift letter and a 1 month bank statement from whoever's donating the money to prove that they had the money in their bank account. And I cannot tell you how many times this will delay a 30-day escrow, or in extreme cases make the loan not possible to fund because the funds were not traceable or the donor had it as cash and the mortgage lender did not talk to them about this before going out and looking at homes. So this is one tip that you guys can use if thinking about buying a house in the future, or if you know someone that's entering into the marketplace that will be using a gift or cash. Beware. This is something that can really cause some frustration. So if you guys have any questions about anything else, real estate or mortgage related, I hope you know you can call the office anytime. And once again, I thank you guys for watching this market update.